Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to remove your account from Happn. Whether you are taking a break from dating apps or just moving on, I'm here to guide you through the steps, so let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet, and download the Happn dating app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the Happn dating app on your phone. Also make sure that you're logged into your accounts. After you log in, you'll see this interface. Here you can see your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now on your profile settings, you can see the settings icon at the top. Tap on it. If you scroll down a bit, here you can see pause my account option. So in order to remove your account from Happn dating app, you need to pause your account. So tap on pause my account. So this will just pause your account, which means it will remove your account from Happn so that it won't be visible to anyone until the time you reactivate it again. So here you can see the pause button. Tap on pause, and that's it. You've successfully removed your Happn account right from your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.